Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Theme. Finally, to apply the best one for you, click on it. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something more interesting, you can always switch your keyboard completely. In order to do that, go into Play Store and download Gboard keyboard. This one from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Click on Enable in Settings and tap on Gray Switcher next to Gboard. Following that, select OK in Attention pop-up. Go back, click on Select Input Method and click on Gboard over here. When you're ready, you need to close Gboard app and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down again and access General Management. This time though, click on Gboard Settings and tap on Theme. Finally, you can scroll down, click on all of those little icons at the top right corners to see available themes. Click on the best one for you and manage key borders. Lastly, to save it, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed again. In order to customize it, go back to the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!